What if lowering your cholesterol isn't always the healthiest choice? For decades, we've been told one thing: cholesterol is bad. It clogs arteries, causes heart attacks, and must be lowered at all costs. But what if that story is changing? For years, cholesterol was labeled the public enemy of heart health. This advice was plastered on posters and ingrained in our medical thinking. But a wave of new long-term studies is revealing something completely unexpected, forcing us to re-examine everything we thought we knew. The decades of advice we've followed are now under review. Prepare for a surprise. Large-scale population studies, some following people for decades, have found a fascinating link. In many cases, people with naturally higher total cholesterol levels actually live longer. Not only that, but they sometimes show lower rates of certain cancers and other non-cardiac diseases. This data challenges the simple narrative we've been sold. How could a supposed villain be associated with a longer lifespan? The truth is far more complex and fascinating than a simple good versus bad story. So, what does cholesterol actually do? It's not some metabolic waste product. Cholesterol is an essential biological building block, absolutely critical for life. Your body uses it to produce vital hormones like testosterone and estrogen. It's a key component of every single cell membrane in your body, providing strength and flexibility. It's crucial for brain function, helping form the protective sheath around your neurons so they can fire correctly. It even helps your immune system respond to threats. Without enough of it, your body simply can't function properly. This becomes even more critical as we get older. As our bodies age, cells face constant wear and tear. Cholesterol plays a vital role in repair and stabilization, helping to protect against the cellular damage that can lead to chronic illness. This has led some scientists to question whether aggressively lowering cholesterol benefits everyone, especially older adults who might need it more for maintenance and resilience. The one-size-fits-all approach is starting to show its cracks. Now, this is extremely important. This doesn't mean heart disease is a myth or that you should ignore your doctor's advice. Of course not. The real risk is much more nuanced than a single cholesterol number. True cardiovascular risk depends on a symphony of factors: chronic inflammation, the specific type, and size of your LDL particles, your HDL to triglyceride ratio, your genetics, and, of course, your diet and lifestyle. It's about the complete picture, not just one number on a lab report. Because of this complexity, leading experts and researchers are now calling for a major shift. The future isn't about chasing a universal target number. It's about personalized cholesterol guidelines. It's about looking at an individual's entire health profile to make an informed decision, treating the person, not just the lab result. This new era of medicine will tailor recommendations to your unique biology and risk factors. So, what's the big takeaway? Cholesterol isn't the villain we once thought it was. It's a complex and vital biological tool that our bodies need to thrive. And for more deep dives into science-based health, make sure to subscribe.